It's me, Priscilla. What's good? What's really good? It's me, back again with another video, and today I'll be featuring this fabulous wig from Beauty Forever. This video is sponsored by Beauty Forever, but you guys know my reviews are 100% true tea. Okay, so if you want to keep watching, see the details on this wig, don't go away and keep watching. Alright, so let's get into this wig. Okay, so like I said, this is from Beauty Forever. This is their 4x4 closure wig. So this is not a frontal. This is just a closure. As you can see, it's not glued onto my head. It's glueless. So this is like the amazing go-to plop-on wig, y'all. Like, I really appreciate this wig and how easy it is to maintain. It's so low maintenance. I don't get shedding. Nothing. That's what I love about 4x4 closures, is that they barely shed. Like, you don't need to pluck too much. I did pluck a little bit, and you're good. And this is like a 4x4 closure with a fake scalp. So under this wig, there's like a section that's already like how should I explain it, that like a covering. I'll show a picture on the side somewhere that it's like a fake scalp. So like right here is really light because that's the part that's fake, and then like right here is my actual scalp. That could be a little bit annoying, like for somebody who's like darker than me, like their scalp is not that light, so it might look a little bit too fake. But how I fix that is sometimes I'll get concealer and just fix that, but it doesn't bother me too much. So there's that. This wig is 18 inches. It's like down to below my bra. I love this length. I think like this is my perfect like everyday length. Like it fits me so well if I say so myself. I did curl it a little bit earlier and the curls fell. I would say it doesn't hold a curl for too long because the curls were tighter than this and it fell, but this is how I want my curls anyways. So there's that. I don't really get tingling, but I do get tingling in the nape area, like right now. I think that's normal for like most wigs, because that area just there's like a lot going on back there. But other than that, here, see, it's just that section, because right here is good. It's good. It's just that back section that's like, it's an issue. And I believe this is 150% density, but it looks thick. And okay, so this is a 4x4 closure, right? I think I recorded it or I didn't. If I didn't, I'm gonna put it like over here. You can only part this in the middle. Like, I don't understand it. Like there's like bundles like right here, and like the lace is just right here. This is how much lace they give you. Like just like it's like a 2 or like 1x4. Like, so I don't really understand the 4x4 closure wig, because it's not really. It's more like a 1x4 or 2x4. I don't get it, but it does have a long part for a 4-inch closure. The part is long, but you can't part this anyway. It can only be a middle part unless you like tilt your wig or something. I did that. I didn't really look right, so I looked at the middle, and the middle is just fine. I always wear my hair in the middle part, but So this is just my middle part wig. I'm not gonna do anything extra to it, but yeah. What else is there? I believe this hair is like $100 and something. I'll put it over here. I don't think it's expensive, for real. I don't. Like, this is an amazing beginner friendly wig. Like, I am telling you, like, low maintenance. You don't have to pluck, really. You just pop on your head, cut the lace, and you out, for real. Like, someone who is just getting into a wig, or someone who just wants like a low maintenance wig, this is the most perfect wig for you. Like, especially like if you don't want like a frontal wig, this wig got you. This wig got you. The hair is soft, silky, like on the natural side luster, but it's still silky. I love this hair. This is the wig I wear to work. This is the wig I wear to church. This is the wig I wore to a wedding. Like, I was looking poppin' 10, okay? I really appreciate it. I'm like so happy that Beauty Forever sent me this wig, for real. I really appreciate it. This wig is a bomb, for real. And I would rate this wig an 8 out of 10, because first, I say an 8 because the parting is just right here. It's not a true 4x4 wig, and because it tangles in the nape area, that gets annoying, okay? And also because, what's my other reason? Do I have another reason? Well, okay, that's just 2 things. that's just 2 things. So yeah, so it's a 8 out of 10. It's a good wig, y'all. I'd suggest this wig. I'm not gonna steer you the wrong way. When I first saw this, I was like, what the heck is this? Like, I was on my private story, like, what the heck, y'all? Like, I was so mad when I saw this wig. But when I actually put it on my head, period, this is poppin' 10. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think, or if you tried this wig before, let me know down in the comment section. Yeah, have you guys tried Beauty Forever hair? I've heard like good things and bad things, but most things I've heard have been good. So stiff wear, period. But yeah, I love this wig. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say I love this wig, but I love this wig. I'm so happy I got this wig in this length. Like, cause it's perfect. But yeah, I hope you like this wig. I hope you like this video. And if you did, please like this video. And I'll leave all the information in my description box so you can check it out. And it's Beauty Forever hair, Brazilian straight. Or is a body wave? I didn't even say what this hair was. It's Brazilian straight. Definitely Brazilian straight and 18 inches. I'm so sorry. But yeah, from Beauty Forever, bomb hair. Get you some very friendly, low maintenance, no shedding, and popping. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Love you guys. See ya.